Hey guys, Dan from GL Pro Sound, and I am going to show you how to use your new Thinkware F800 Pro dash cam that's been installed. So you will see something like this on the front windscreen, and in order to pair your phone to the device, we need to pair to Wi-Fi first. So on the camera, you'll notice there's a Wi-Fi button down the bottom right. You want to make sure you push that.
To a Wi-Fi network.
The camera will instruct you to pair to Wi-Fi. So you want to go into your phone in the Wi-Fi settings, and what will happen is the Thinkware option will come up in the Wi-Fi options. If it doesn't, just turn the Wi-Fi on and off again, and it'll ask you for a password once you click it. Now the password for the F800 is numerical numbers from 1 all the way up to 9. So if you do this and then hit join, the Wi-Fi will then pair to the camera. Once the Wi-Fi is paired, we can then go across to the Thinkware Cloud app. Now, if you're on Apple platform, you want to go to the App Store, download Thinkware Cloud. If you're on Samsung, you want to go to the Google Play Store and download the same application. I already have it downloaded on my phone, so I'm going to go across to the Thinkware Cloud app.
Connected to a smartphone.
The camera will instruct that I'm connected to it, and if I go to live view, you'll be able to see that the camera is now playing the picture of what is on the front. Also, there'll be a little R at the top right for the rear camera. This is how we set up the lens in the camera. The other areas within the app are your file list. So this is where the camera stores all the files of when pre-recorded events have happened. So if there's something you need to get off the camera for insurance purposes, or there's been an accident, you will find it in these headings here. The camera has already been set up for motion detection, so if you go into motion detection, you will find recordings there of movement around the car. One important thing is don't be paired to the camera while you're driving, because the camera won't actually be recording. You pair to the camera to extract the footage out of the camera if you do need to get the footage that it has recorded. So that's one key thing with majority of dash cams. You don't actually want to be paired to the device. Once you've come in here and downloaded the footage to your phone, or you can also remove the SD card, which is in the top of the camera here, and put it in the computer via the adapter that comes in the box. You can then choose how you save the footage, or email it off to insurance company if that's what you need to do if you've had an accident or something of that nature. The orange bar down the bottom, after you've finished getting the footage out of it, if you hit the disconnect and OK,
Disconnected from a smartphone.
the camera will instruct you that you've disconnected from it, and the camera will start to continue to record. Our installers have already set up the parking mode and motion detection feature, as I said previously, so you don't have to worry about that working. It's already set up for you, and it will be in the file list.